dolls, welcome back to my channel. I am Itza Arroyo, and if you are a doll that loves fashion and beauty content, make sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notifications, and of course don't forget to hit that like button. In today's video, we're gonna go to Target. We're gonna go see what's inside store. It's been a while, so if you want to see what's inside Target stores, you know what to do. Keep on watching. Look, I'm so sorry, my intro, I don't know if the lighting's good in my restroom. It is dark outside. It is only, what, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock? I think it's 5 o'clock, and it is already dark. It feels late, but we're heading to Target. I want to see if we can find some holiday outfits. I see and I hear there's a lot of new things going on at Target, so we are gonna go check it out. There is the viral coats that I want to feel and touch in person. And overall, I just want to create some holiday looks for you dolls. I go look for the new arrivals, so you don't have to, so you can just watch from the comfort of your own home. I'm a mama who carries most of her weight in the midsection, so I love to share what these goodies look like on me. And let's not make this intro long. Let's go to Target. Let's go to Target. If you're unsure how to style your hair this holiday season, I have a fabulous hairstyle idea for you featuring the Irresistible Me ponytail. One important detail I need to share is that when you receive your extensions, you'll notice a Try Me label on the packaging. Inside, you'll find a tester weft to help you ensure that the color, texture, and length match perfectly. This step is crucial. I love that the extensions come in a satin pouch, so whenever I'm not using them, I have somewhere to store them and they're gonna keep its condition. My ponytail is 20 inches long with 95 grams of hair, but it comes in 3 different lengths. It's made of 100% human hair, and one of the things I love the most is how easily it combs through. Before applying the extensions, let's get that snatched look, and I'll start by tying my real ponytail, my sad little ponytail, into a bun to prepare for the extensions. These extensions do come with a small comb attached and a ribbon to secure them tightly around your initial ponytail. So let me show you how easy it is to put on this beautiful ponytail. So first I inserted the comb of the ponytail extension on the top of my hair, and then used the hair ties or ribbons to tighten around my initial ponytail. I love the ribbon option because I can secure it as tight as I want, and honestly dolls, I do not feel these extensions heavy, and I just absolutely love how easy it is to apply. No need for detangling sprays. Once again, it combs through really well, and what I love about this hairstyle is that it just takes me less than 5 minutes to achieve. It's not just perfect for the holidays, it's also great for the everyday wear. Even when I'm dressed casually, I can braid the hair for a stylish braided look. Plus, as someone with short hair, the style completely transforms my appearance. Oh, and I almost forgot to mention that it also comes in a curly option. We have a discount code for you dolls, which I'll display on the screen and include in the description box below. Now the final step is to throw on your outfit and of course add your accessories like this cute little bow, which I love doing with my ponytail, and you'll be all set to slay this holiday season. As for the ponytail, it is heat resistant up to 250 degrees, so you can cut, dye, and style it however you like. However, they don't recommend you bleaching your hair extensions as it can compromise their integrity. To maintain their great condition for longer, be sure to store them back into the satin pouch. You definitely need to check out the Irresistible Me website for a variety of hair extension options. They offer clip-in extensions, tape-in extensions, wigs, and so much more. If you're unsure which product to choose, you can take a quick 3-minute hair quiz to find the best fit for you. Also, go follow them on their social media platforms where you can find more hair inspirations on the variety of hair that they have from different influencers or different dolls with different texture or different hair. Maybe you'll catch me on their page real soon. And by the way, they might even share big promotions. So head over there, give them a follow. This brand is a must add to your wish list. I'm a huge fan of their extensions. Be sure to check them out, and a big thank you to Irresistible Me for sponsoring this portion of the video. So immediately as I walk in, I am drawn to this burgundy dress. We're seeing a lot of burgundy this season. And then on the mannequins, I saw this jumpsuit, this black jumpsuit. I believe it's like a velvet material, like a halter top jumpsuit. And then we have some satin dresses. Oh my God, we're gonna have so much fun in the fitting room. Look at that top right there. How cute, with a cute skirt. Look at the coat. Look at the coat. Okay, so also what I've also noticed is shirts be bling blinging. I don't know, we'll try something like this. Oh, look at my daughter pointed this one out. So many cute things. Okay, Target, look at this dress. I actually saw this and I'm like, I love a good sleeveless dress. I want to see if that's flattering. Look at that color right there. It's a burgundy set that I saw someone post. It's like a blazer and a skirt and I want to try it out, so I'm going to look for it. And I'm gonna grab some things, so I'll see you in the fitting room. So I got one room to be open, but I let someone else in because I have a basket full. So I did find this fur coat. This is the warmest coat ever and the cutest. I am trying it on in size medium, but it is a little bit big. So I think it would do good on a small, but a lot of them are out of stock. This is the only one I saw. Again, it has a hoodie. This is so cute. Look at this. OMG. This does look a little big though. Sorry for the lighting and sorry for all this mess. If you see all this in the background, this is just the room itself. Poor employees. Here's for my dolls who want to be comfy this holiday season. Look at this set. It is sold separate. The joggers are $25 and then the sweatshirt is $20. I am wearing it in a size medium, but honestly I would have wanted it in a size large, and this was the only one left hanging, so I would definitely want to size up for an oversized look. The pants are size medium. They do have an elastic waistband with a drawstring. The joggers do have pockets just on the side, and this set is super cute. I'm really loving the blue. So Wild Fable is a junior brand, so there's this cute little set sold separate as well. The shorts are $20 and the top is $26. We all know bows are trending right now, and I'm wearing the top in a size large, and I mean it's a nice oversized look, but I think I would go down to a medium. And then the shorts I would actually size up. They're more fitting to the body. I did grab a size medium and they are stretchy. I just wish they were a little bit more loose, but if you like something more fitted, this would be your option. I think the bows are really cute. The shorts have all the cute little bows, and then the big bow here on the top. Sweater is very soft, very soft. Okay, these pants are everything. Someone's waiting for the fitting room, so I don't want to be too loud, but these pants are gorgeous. They are a little bit on the longer side. They're sequins pants. These are cute. So it does have the short built-in shorts, and then the rest are see-through. I don't even know how much this is. These are $30, and this is what they look like on a mom bod. Obviously you could put like some shaping shorts to kind of tuck this in a little bit, or look at how nice and stretchy. Wearing a size medium. These pants are everything. The only con is they don't have any pockets. So this crop top is from Target and it is only $5. It's a great basic to have. I wear it all the time. I did find the matching halter top with a blazer. That would look so cute. Look at how it shines. Like, look, these are so cute. Why I thought it was a size 6, I don't know. I'm delulu. But this is so cute. I'm loving the brown, the chocolate. It's giving chocolate. Look at this blazer. The blazer does fit good. It's a size medium. And then the pants, I guess I thought I could go a size 6 because it had elastic waistband. Oh, actually, oh yeah, it has a little bit of elastic waistband in the back, but yeah, size 6 is not closing, and there's only one fitting room, so I can't be taking my time. Pants have the pockets. Length is good. A little long, but it'd be good with some heels, even with sneakers, or a little bit of platform. I really want to take the blazer, to be honest, but I want the pants too. You can't have one or the other. It's like they both go together. Okay, I don't want to put this sweater on because I'm gonna get makeup on it, okay? And just picture the outfit though. Like, this is a nice sweatshirt with the bling bling on it. I thought it was so cute. It'd be so cute with like these burgundy trousers. Just imagine the look. Just imagine it. I love like beige or ivory with burgundy. I think that's a pretty color combo. And this right here, the details on the sweatshirt just glams up the look, and you can wear sneakers or heels. And then here are the trousers. They're a little bit big, like really big at the bottom. I'm wearing the size 8, but I really love the burgundy color on this. These are $32, and then the sweatshirt is $40. Oh my gosh. Okay, I don't know if that's worth $40 though too. So this is a cute halter top jumpsuit. This one is so cute. I love the material, so soft. I'm wearing it in size medium. It does zip in the back. I'm kind of in a hurry, dolls, because there's only one fitting room, so I'm trying all these things on for you in a very quick way. I love the material. This has pockets. The length is good, and I hope you can hear me. I hope you can hear me. This one is so cute. Just picture it without the shirt. I'm really trying to go quick here. There's only one room, so I can't try on everything because I have to get out for others can try on their clothes. So look at these leopard pants. They are nice and silky. They cost $30. I couldn't try them on, but medium looks like it was gonna be too big anyway, so I would do a small, and they didn't have a size small to try on. But these are so cute. Putting them against me, they do look like they're gonna be on the longer side, so if you're tall, you're gonna love these. But like this with a cute like sweatshirt or something dressy, you can dress these up or dress these down. Next item I found is this denim jumpsuit. This one has a zipper and then 2 front pockets and then elastic waistband and pockets in the back, and then you can also adjust your waist. And then this one goes for, this one doesn't have a price. So they didn't have the burgundy skirt and the blazer that I wanted to try on. Well, at least not in my size. They have it, but not my size. So I did find this set right here. This is definitely giving glitz and glam. So if you have a holiday party, you know, the Thanksgiving dinner, the Christmas dinner, this is such a cute set. The skirt, the blazer goes for $50, and then the skirt is $28, and I got it in a size 6. There's no way a 6 was gonna fit me anyways. And this is the dress that I saw when I first walked in and just couldn't get to trying it on. This one goes for $25, and I think it looked really, really nice with the blazer over it. I think the length would have been good. I'm just loving burgundy this season. How do I feel about these boots? These are kind of cute. These are definitely giving glam. They don't have them in my size.
I know.
Everything's a disaster in here. But wait, there's these boots right here, which are a little bit more wearable. These right here have the buckle. They're pointed toe. They have a zipper closure, and they don't have a big heel, which I love. And then these go for $49.99. Another glam boot, $49.99. What? Huh? My daughter's laughing at these. You don't like these?
No. What is that?
Look at this.
What is that?
The heel is so different. These are popular. These are very popular. Yes, these are go for $44.99. These are giving glam. These are giving holiday. Celebrate. Holiday. Celebrate. Shoes with bows. Cute. Very on trend. These go for $39.99. These are so cute. These go for $30.
Santa Claus.
If there's one thing I do, I don't really purchase a lot of clothes here, but I do purchase shoes, and these are probably going in my cart. Alright dolls, that's going to be the end of today's video. Remember, I'm going to link as much as I can down below. Let me know if you want more Target in-store videos down in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and don't forget to get your ponytail. Use my discount code. And as always dolls, God willing, we'll talk to you on the next one. Bye.